to determine the top 5 finalists. So we'd like to call in SK Kenneth, SK Kagawad Kenneth, to please be with me. So for the information of everyone, the candidates were going to pick a question coming from organizer. Again, coming from the Magic Hat, prepared by the organizer. So let's proceed now with candidate number 1. So I'd like to request candidates from 7 to 12 to please proceed muna at the backstage. And while they're having the first batch of the candidates, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stay. 1 to 6, stay po. 7 to 12 sa backstage. 1 to 6 po, matitira dito. 1 to 6, handlers. 1 to 6, candidates po from 1 to 6. Number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, stay po tayo sa likod. Hi, candidate number 1. Hi. So, sino mga gustong pasalamatan ngayong gabi? Sino mga gustong pasalamatan? Wala kang gustong pasalamatan ngayong gabi. First time mo sumali? Okay, so ready ka na for your question? Okay, pick a question. Mag-hi ka muna sa mga fans mo. One-liner lang talaga, mahiyain. So, ang katanungan para sa iyo ay, so English tayo. Tapos na naman, commemoration with the buwan ng wika. Tapos na naman, English tayo. What are the qualities of being a beauty queen? Again, what are the qualities of being a beauty queen? One. So, i-translate na ang Tagalog. Okay. Diyos ko, challenge tayo. Qualities. Ano ang mga katangian ng isang reyna? Ano-ano ang mga katangian ng isang reyna?
Hindi nga ninyo rin po ba ito nadi-distract niya? May mental yan. Hindi ko ulit lang. At
marunong sa tama at mali. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Moving on with the next candidate, candidate number 2. Prepare for the next segment of the competition. So again, I would like to inform everyone na please, wag po tayong magbigay ng mga unnecessary noise, okay? Kasi hindi basta-basta ang pumunta dito sa gitna at sumagot ng mga katanungan. Ready ka na, candidate number 2? Anything you would like to say to your supporters?
Hi, thank you.
Si mami mo na andito ba nanonood? Si papa mo? Your cousins? Ate na andyan. So, hi po ate. SK? Diyos ko, babadyan na di orang. Keme. Hindi na muna ako magiging formal ngayong gabi. Okay lang ba? Ayan, para hindi tayo maging boring. Ready ka na for your question? Your question. Do you believe about the praying in this act of communicating God? Again, do you believe about that praying in this act of communicating God? And why?
Yes po. Dahil ang pagdarasal ay laging pagkikilos ng isang tao at isa ditong praktikal at move na ito sa pagpapasalamat at humingi ng kapatawaran sa mga kasalanan natin lahat. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Moving on with candidate number 3.
All my ladies, one to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low, and to the right.
Hi, candidate number 3. Ikaw, sino mo gustong pasalamatan?
Kasi yan na-again ka din.
Pasalamatan ko sana po yung mga supportive
Huwag kayo
ko.
siyang kumilos.
Also, my classmates, thank you for coming. Thank you so much! Also, my mother, may the best mother. Thank you so much, ma. And tita to prepare me to
Tagalog ka na. Tagalog
this
ka.
competition. Thank you so much, tita. Thank you so
Alin
much.
silang mama mo, yung nakaputi?
Nakapatid.
Ay, batch. Naku, nakadigil. Ayan. So, may nakapagsabi na sa'yo na kamukha mo si Angel Aquino. Wala pa ng tao. Hindi mo yung kilala. Okay, next. Kaya na, dali na. Kamukha niya si Angel Aquino sa Malapitan.
Ganyan man kaya.
Okay, your question, candidate number 3. What is your favorite sports in life that makes you physically fit? Why? Again, what is your favorite sports in life that makes you physically fit?
Jogging.
Okay. Ano ang paborito mong... Tama, laro?
Sports.
Ano ang paborito mong laro na... Ayun, sorry. Di kasi ko. Ayan, para ma-maintain mo yung kanyang katawan. Anong mga laro ang paborito mo?
My favorite sport is volleyball because my sports is volleyball is to provide my talent and sports and to become successful in my life.
Ay, rayo.
Successful in my life and thank you. That's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Next is candidate number 4.
All my ladies, one to the left, straight to the
Hi,
right,
candidate number 4.
the right side.
Ayan, huwag kang mahiya, dali, go. Naandito na din tayo. So, ikaw yung mga gustong pasalamatan ngayong gabi.
Pinapasalamatan ko po yung mga nagsusuporta po sa akin at lalo na yung magulang ko na sa gilid. Basta po at sa iyo lahat, salamat po.
Okay, pick your question. Ano gusto mong question? Tagalog or English? Parang kapag ready naman ako. Yung chat GPT pa ready nga. Okay, your question po. What is the essence of a true Baawenia? Again, what is the essence of a true Baawenia? Tagalog.
Ay, tawid.
Essence. At humingi tayo ng tulong sa ating mga board of judges.
Marian si Tami.
Kahulugan.
Okay. Ano, Sir Dobet? Tagalog daw. Okay. Gusto niya kasi Tagalog. Okay, anyone? Kemi? What is the essence of a true Baawenia? Ano, hindi man to katangian eh. Ano ang parang hindi. Mali. Okay, Board of Judges, sorry, naglalag kasi ang ating chat GPT. Pwede naman, ano ang katangian ng isang tunay na Baawenia? Ano daw ang katangian? In Bicol ba? Okay na yan. Ang katangian, ano ang, kung ikaw ay isang Baawenia, ano ang meron ka? Sige nga. Kung ikaw ay isang Baawenia, ano ang meron ka?
Katian ng totoong baon ay Marirespeto, malakas, masipag. Ito lang po. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Ayan, di pa tayo sa kalahati, parang ako na yung nag-pressure. Candidate number 4, hi! Candidate number 5, hi! Gusto tayo ng konti. Ready ka na sa inyong katanungan? May manita Mia? Pray sure. Okay, pick a question. Your question, what is your meaningful objective in joining this beauty pageant? Again, what is your meaningful objective in joining this beauty pageant?
My objective in joining this pageant is to step out of my comfort zone and try new things. I myself used to be insecure, but by joining this pageant, I proved to myself that I can turn weaknesses into strength. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5. Next candidate number 6, our last candidate for the first batch. SK, tama na? Parang diretso na. Yan, sino man gusto ko pasalamatan? This is the right time.
Akong pasalamatan is yung family ko na nanonood. Lola ko, tita ko, and yung kasi ko. Yun lang.
Okay, your question, candidate number 6. As student, what are the benefits you can get through studies? Again, as students, what are the benefits you can get through studies? Okay, bilang isang estudyante, ano ang mga benepisyo na pwede mong makuha sa pag-aaral?
Bilang isang estudyante po, isipin po natin una sa lahat si God and yung matuto tayong magbilang, magbasa at mag-aral. Yun lamang.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Moving on with the next batch from 7 to 12.
One to the left, straight to the right, drop it down low and take it back high. Bitch, I don't need introduction. Follow my step, no instruction. One to the left, straight to the
Ay,
right.
candidate number 7.